Across generations, Sreedhareeyam has consistently embraced the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda while seamlessly integrating advancements in modern technology. It proudly stands as a compelling testament to the boundless possibilities that Ayurveda holds as a remarkable science. Located amidst lush greenery on a sprawling 50-acre campus in Koothatukulam, Kerala, India, the flagship hospital and state-of-the-art manufacturing division serve as the heart of Sreedhareeyam Group. Recognized by the Ayush Ministry of the Government of India in 2009, Sreedhareeyam Ayurvedic R&D Institute has been hailed as a center of excellence in Ayurvedic ophthalmology. Today, the hospital proudly holds NABH certification, symbolizing our adherence to the highest standards of quality and patient care. With 23 branches across India, we have become the world's largest Ayurvedic ophthalmology network, bringing the gift of vision to countless lives. Sreedhareeyam's Farmherbs India Private Limited, the group's medicine manufacturing division, follows aseptic manufacturing processes and stringent quality control measures. It was established in the year 2006 to utilize advanced technology for the manufacture of classical Ayurvedic medicines, patented products, and FMCG products. It is the only Ayurvedic manufacturing facility in India to categorize with Class 1 lakh clean rooms and adopt a uniflow process of direction conforming to US FDA standards. Right from the entry point to the factory, all possible quality checks are ensured to be completed according to clean rooms classifications. Sreedhareeyam follows a stringent system to ensure quality with personal hygiene and in-process parameter monitoring right from the procurement of raw materials to the final product. All necessary validations, certificates and safety tests are carried out before procuring the raw materials. Once it reaches the premises, it goes through all possible qualitative and quantitative tests, including chemical spectrum analysis. Modern and sophisticated instruments such as the atomic absorption spectrophotometer detect heavy metals in raw materials, intermediates and finished products. HPTLC and HPLC are used to identify the chemical profiling of the herb and herbal products. Ensuring the active chemical spectrum in all finished products maintains the efficacy across all batches of products. A wide spectrum of products including tablets, capsules, kashayas, grutha, arishta are manufactured with the help of ultra-modern machinery. Sreedhareeyam now manufactures over 550 classical and patented products under the brand. A unique line of form-changed classical products like tablets, gels, soft gel capsules and ointments are converted from classical form of medicines to enhance usage convenience. Sreedhareeyam has also developed an exclusive line of pure herbal beauty and baby products under the brand name Farmherbs Botanicals. The testing laboratory is NABL accredited in accordance with ISO IEC 17025-2017, conforming to the highest standards prescribed. Sreedhareeyam Farmherbs India has garnered numerous accolades and accreditations, underscoring its unwavering dedication to excellence. These include prestigious certifications such as USDA Organic, European and Indian Organic certifications, GMP certification, ISO 22000 FSMS, FSVP, as well as NABL and Ayush accreditation for the testing laboratories, further attesting to the commitment to quality and integrity. It offers various services like pharmacognostic, physicochemical, phytochemical, chromatographic and microbiological analysis, heavy metal estimation and stability studies, microbial analysis, involving sterility testing and environmental monitoring of manufacturing areas and equipment are carried out in the microbiological laboratory. The laboratory consists of instruments like BOD incubator, autoclave, laminar flow and Class II biosafety cabinets. The full-fledged product development division is where studies on improvements to existing products and development of new products are carried out. The Sreedhareeyam Group aims to set new benchmarks in providing quality and technically superior solutions to customers as well as organizations, and through relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation, Sreedhareeyam will continue to remain the eye of Ayurveda.